Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week I am planning with a kit from one of my favorite shops, Adorably Amy Designs, and we are going to be planning the week of October 7th through October 13th. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. So yes, we are in October, but I'm still trying to wrap my brain around that fact, as you could probably tell just now. But this week I am planning with a kit from Adorably Amy Designs. I don't know if I've actually shared it yet in any of my videos, but I am actually on Amy's fall PR team, and I'm really excited that I was chosen and really grateful to her for considering me to be a part of her team. And I just really like hanging out in group chats and stuff with other girls. They're really fun, and two of the other girls in the group are local to me, on top of Amy, so it's exciting to be in that little group, and I'm excited to just help more people learn about her shop and hopefully discover all the awesome stuff that she offers. So the kit that I'm going to be using this week is called Lost in Books, and I actually think I purchased this during the Wild collab sale. I did just purchase some more kits from Amy recently and some other stickers, but I think this kit I got a while ago during that sale. So this is the sheet of full boxes that she has. I like it because it's a bookish kit, but it's also like got like a fall like motif to it. There's like this little typewriter, and it says autumn tale, and then some of the leaves are kind of like more of a fall style, and of course the colors are a little bit warmer. And then these are the functional stickers that she has here, more functional stickers, and then these are kind of like icons, checklists, habit trackers, all that kind of stuff. So more functional stickers. So there's 6 pages I think in this kit. I got page 1, 2, 4, and 6. I love that Amy allows you to purchase her kits a la carte, so you can choose what works for you and not have to purchase what doesn't. And so she really makes her customers her priority and allows them to choose what works for them. So with that, let's go ahead and do some covering up of this thing here. I don't think I got date covers with this one. Yeah, no, I didn't. So we won't have to worry about spending time doing that. And let me cover this part up here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the meal, like this weekly sticker, but make it my meal planner, and then I just want to choose a functional sticker to go along with it, like kind of like a header. Maybe this? Yeah. I actually don't have my meal plan done yet. I have to do that after this video, so I'm not going to fill that in right now. But yeah, so grab my sticky note back. I don't think I have anything on Monday, but Tuesday I have a couple of things. In the afternoon I have lunch with Whitney. And then in the evening we have a walkthrough. We were supposed to have a video chat, the admins of SSP, but now we're going to be doing a walkthrough of our venue for Let's Flamingo Beaches happening in January. So that is going to be at 6. Wednesday night, my coworker and his girlfriend are trying to get me to go to Halloween Horror Nights with them, and I want to, but I do have to work on Thursday, and I have a really early morning appointment on Thursday. I have to go for like my annual women's appointment, and that's at 7:30 in the morning, so I'm a little bit like, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. So I'm not gonna actually put that in my planner because I'm just not sure that I'm gonna be doing that yet. So Thursday, I also have a threading appointment in the evening. Friday, I don't have anything. Saturday morning, we have soccer. I think it's the last weekend of soccer. I'm actually filming this on Saturday, and we didn't go this morning because AJ was not feeling well. And then that evening we are going to Tampa for Anita's daughter's wedding, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm going to be staying overnight there, and a couple other planner girls are going. Alexa and her husband are going, and then I think Adie and Andrea are going to be going as well. So I'm looking forward to spending time with everybody. And so it should be good. I will have a whole bunch to do when I get home that day. So hopefully while my husband is watching football, I can just be productive. We're gonna, I think, try and leave pretty early in the morning the next day because we'll be getting into another week and we just have a lot of things to do. He really has like a really hard semester happening right now, and I think he just is a little overwhelmed, so I'm trying to, as much as I can, like not add anything extra where I don't have to, so trying not to have plans too often and everything like that, but of course it's not always possible, but as much as I can, making sure he has space to just feel like he can be away to go study or work on assignments or whatever the case may be. So gonna have to film and edit my plan with me that day. We'll leave that like that for now. So that'll be Sunday. Other things I have on here, Alexa's birthday is on Monday. I'm trying to see if any of the sheets I chose have like a birthday sticker, but I don't think so. So just put it on a functional sticker. Sure I'm not missing anyone else. No one else in that week, so full boxes. I was gonna put washi and stuff down first, but I'll do full boxes. I feel like the sticker goes really cute here because the hotel is ginormous, so it's almost not a castle, but it kind of reminds me of that. So. Oh, I just remembered we do have something on Wednesday at work. We have a potluck for my manager. They have this like program at my job where all the assistant managers like rotate into different library branches and departments, and so she is ending her 2 year rotation with us this week, and so the week after this week we'll get a new manager from a branch, but because she's been part of our department for 2 years, we love her and we are going to miss her quite a bit, so we are having a potluck for her on Wednesday, and I totally forgot I need to put that in here, but I'll do that next. Anything else? So I decided to put a little thing in here. I really wanted to use as many full boxes as I could in this kit on this week, so I put one here on Saturday, but I wanted to put like a little something to close up that gap of space there. And let me see. Okay. Oh, there actually is not a birthday sticker, but a little cupcake, so I will put that here for Alexa. And that'll be it for that. So I need to put some washi down here, and I was thinking that this blue might be a lot when I first picked it out, but looking at the spread, it's actually pretty light and bright, so I want to add some more contrast, and so I'm gonna put this blue up here. And then I think I'm gonna do this, I forget what she calls this style of washi from Simply Gilded, but it's got like a confetti dust sort of thing at the bottom. to-do list. I'm just trying to get myself in the daily habit of doing some things and not letting my full-time work life derail my side work that I have going on, because sometimes I come home so exhausted from my actual job that I just totally check out and don't want to do anything, and then I'm not being productive, and I definitely do not want to do that. There was something I was gonna put, oh, I'm gonna put that potluck, but there was something else I was gonna do and I can't remember what it is right now, but oh well. Let me just put that potluck down because I don't know what the other thing was that I was planning on putting here. So I'm gonna stick this up here for Coffee Monday. Last, I remembered the other thing that I wanted to do was put This Is Us on Tuesday. And that is it, I think. That's all that I can think of right now. I'm gonna fill in that meal plan later, once I figure out what I'm doing next week for meals, but these are all the major things that I have going on this week, so that was actually pretty simple and straightforward. I'm happy that it didn't take very long. If you have any questions about things that I did in this video, you can leave them in the comment. If you want to save 15% off your order at Amy's shop, Adorably Amy Designs, I'll have a link to her shop with my code Cynthia15 in the description of this video. And you can also get my sampler if you mention my name in the comments or in the notes for an order. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. And thank you always to my subscribers for coming back each week and viewing these videos and giving me feedback. I appreciate it, and I love each and every one of you. With that, have a great week, and I will see you back next week for yet another plan with me. Bye!